Hey you guys, what's up? Your girl's on a roll, you know, because nobody knows how to cook for me in this house, and like I'm not even gonna lie, I'm too lazy to cook for myself, so food it is. So today I got me some Popeyes. Yes, Popeyes. So let's see what we got. I'm gonna move it. Ooh, child. The Addy wasn't on it. Yeah, my name. That's how I spell my name on my Uber Eats, because nobody knows how to read my real name. Alright, so I got me some coleslaw. I love me some coleslaw. I had to get me a side of coleslaw. Some napkins. I love when they give me napkins. Then they gave me jelly and ketchup. I need some sweet heat, but I haven't gotten jelly from there in man long. I got a biscuit. I don't know where they put it on the side, but I got a biscuit and a French fry side and another jelly. So here's my food. Let's move all of you on campus. Ooh, look at me, the better angle. Do I need this one too? I need at least one thing. This is my paint. But like I feel like my paint is too distracting. So yes. Let me open it up. Super fry. Oh, they didn't give me a spoon. Ooh! Oh, I got an extra biscuit. I didn't even know. Yo, they finessed with the fries. Damn. I got 2 breasts and a wing. You can't see everything because it's all together, but you see? So I'm gonna take some French fries, put it to the side, because you know your girl don't eat all of this anyways. Or should I display it on the table on this? See, look, I got an extra biscuit for later. Put my biscuit. I'll take these fries, put it up here. Your girl's getting better at what she does. I'm gonna get me a breast, because all I'm gonna eat is the breast. But which breast? I think this breast is smaller. Alright. There you go. Oh, my coleslaw. I pick at it. I got a spoon right here. And girl was prepared for my last McDonald's. Right here. Let's open that up and eat that first. I mean, like, taste it out first. Damn, I needed some sweet heat. I should have been like, yo, ask for some sweet heat. I always eat my chicken with sweet heat. I love that coleslaw. Sponsor me, you guys. I've been buying food too much. Well, I'm a jelly person. I am not a honey person. Like, I mean, I'll eat honey. Nah, I'm not a honey person. I don't like honey. But I do like jelly. So let's take a bite of that biscuit with jelly. This is gonna get me full before I even eat some chicken. Tastes so good though. I have not eaten all day. And it is it's like almost 2. That was so good. It has a lot of skin. Ooh. Damn it. I'm gonna have to clean up this. I really wish I had some sweet heat. I really don't know where to put this ketchup. Now, put it on my canvas. I'm gonna put some ketchup down here and eat it off down here. There's nowhere else to put it. I'm not putting it on a... I always put it on a tissue. That's it. Put it right here. Oh, I got some of my gloves. I'm gonna be going out. Not going out, but we're going on a trip in my favorite rocket ship. Low key, my Uber Eats guy, he was a little cute. I'm like, wow. And he was a little chocolate. Did I show you guys my painting yesterday? I don't even remember. Like, look at that nice breast. I don't know, I feel like getting breast today. It is not dry today. It's very flavorful. To be honest, I thought Popeyes size were smaller than that. I remember I haven't gotten like a little side in a while. It's been a while since I ate Popeyes. Another piece of chicken. They're hitting. The funny thing is that the area that I bought it from, I'm going over there later. I might be, I don't know. My cousin is going over there. She was like, "You want to come over there?" Sure. I hate, like, my first meal in the day is usually like when I eat less. Like, I usually eat like the least because like I'm not hungry like that because it's morning. It's not even morning. But I don't know. It's like since I've been hungry like all for like so long or whatever. Like when I actually do eat, I get full faster. So that was a big piece of breast. Alright, half a biscuit. Yo, biscuit with jelly. Bomb. I don't have anything to talk about anymore. Nothing be happening to me. I'm bored. Yo, if you don't follow me on Snapchat, follow me on Snapchat right now. Because oh no, I'm not gonna post this the day I record. Because my Snapchat story from last night, because like I've been wanting to draw, and I was like, hey, what if I draw and like paint like a throwback like painting, like, you know, all my favorite old TV shows and whatnot, cartoon shows and whatnot. So I did that. I started drawing on a canvas. I was gonna draw it on paper, but I was like, nah, do it straight on canvas. Woo! I'm that full. Oh, and I left my drink in the freezer. I'm done with the coleslaw. So now. But yeah, and I drew like a few characters or whatever. It took me so long to draw them because like I like to be very precise, so I take my time. And I was jamming though. I was jamming to the throwbacks. So it was so much fun last night. Yo, the biscuit is so buttery, and like it's a little like it's like not even salty to me because the sweetness cuts off the salt, so it just tastes so good. This is like dessert to me, like a sweet salty dessert, and it tastes so freaking good. And it's very soft. It's not like it's not it's like I feel like Popeyes biscuits are like moist but thick. They're just thick. So like it feels a little dry, but like I don't know. I like it though. I like it better than KFC's, I think. I only had their biscuit, KFC's biscuit like once. Tastes so good. Put a fry and some jelly. I didn't even taste the jelly. My brother's smushed how they have to fit it in this box. Yeah, I'm full. I don't know why I bought 2 breasts because like I'm gonna dip it in jelly. If you like sweet and savory, nah, I don't work. But it tastes really good. Like I love all this. Like, but like sometimes I get tired of the skin and I don't eat the skin. So when I was little, oh my god, I prefer to eat the skin over the meat any day. Any day of the week, I prefer to eat the skin. But yeah, I'm gonna show you. I'm definitely showing you what I when I started working on last night. It's so good. I'm so proud of myself so far. But painting it, it's gonna be like the difficult part because you know you gotta make the certain shades and whatnot. So that will be the fun part. But I know like after I finish it and it comes out good. Like I know the drawing wise is gonna come out good because drawing I can always erase fakes, but when it comes to painting, it's different because what's on the canvas is on the canvas, you know. So, but once I paint this good, I know people gonna want to copy it. Like they're gonna want to buy it from me. And I'm like, this is like my favorite cartoon show growing up, and I still watch cartoons to this day. But I was jamming out to the throwback. Yo, last night it was so much fun though. I had fun by myself, like just jamming out and drawing. Like I was drawing. I searched up like 90s 2000 music, busted it out, just dancing by myself. But like I was sitting right here, but like this way, like facing the wall, and just drawing. And then when my song came on, but I started recording, put myself on Snap, be like, ooh, this is my jam. I swear, I'm just a bunch of fun. I swear to it. I'm just a clown. And I like doing that. I like being like that. It's just more fun. It's better than being a negative name too. You know? So yeah. I have to clean this up right quick. My cameras have plastic, remember? That's why they're so shiny. Plastic. But yeah, this biscuit is for later. It tastes so bomb. This one's a little harder though. Like the one I just ate was so soft. That's why I ate the one I ate. It was so soft. I didn't know about an extra biscuit though, because they didn't show the option of like everybody came with a biscuit or whatever. So I was like, what? Do I have to place or like buy another? Like I gotta put a biscuit or something? But yeah. Now I know for next time. Whatever, I don't want to post because it's too big. I am so full. I need to digest my food. I'm gonna put this all away. I need to stop eating in my room. Alright. Let me show you my canvas. So just wait 1 second. Okay, you guys. This is my thing. Yo, this canvas came a little dookie. Like, why'd it come like that? That blows mine. So if like I decide to sell it, I'm like, damn. But yeah, I love it so far. I love how it's coming out. Like, I'm so proud of myself. So yes, that's the Pop-Up Girls, Courage the Cowardly Dog. This is, my mom asked me when I showed her, she was like, oh, is that like Scooby's, like, you know, the little baby, like, you know, Shaggy? No. What's his name? Scrappy. Nah, that's, I used to watch a pup named Scooby-Doo, so I used to watch them when they were kids, and then like the older version, and then Eddie, and Ed. I have to draw Ed. Double D. I have to draw double D. So yeah. I love how it looks so far, and I know, like, my #1 favorite is Courage. Like, I've always loved Courage, and I love Scooby-Doo because I remember, you know, they still sell them now, but like those cups of juices, like for kids, that they have like little like character tops on, like character pieces on top, and like they gotta pop them open and drink them like a bottle. Like, I used to always do the Scooby-Doo ones. You could tell I have a thing for dogs. There's 3 dogs here. Pup named Scooby-Doo, and Courage. Were there any other dog shows? I don't know. I feel like adding like Plank, like from Ed and Eddie, like add Plank somewhere behind in the background over here somewhere, because like I feel like there's like a nice little gaps over there. Like I feel like just entering him here and there. I don't know. I might just add like, I don't know. Oh, I just thought of another show. But yeah, if this was a huge canvas, I would have so much more fun, because like I could always like add on to people, you know, if it was just a bigger canvas. But like maybe that would be one of my goals, like to get like a huge, because you know canvases are a little pricey, you know, I'm a little cheap and I'm a little broke, so yeah, so like I want to get a big canvas eventually and just draw a whole bunch of cartoons on it. But it just takes time, you know, because I'd rather it come out good. And then like I was like wondering which brush would be best. Like this is like my go-to brush for like fine like lines and whatnot. But then I just looked into my pack, and then this one, the tip is just perfect. No, the tip is like perfect. Cause like I was thinking about, I'm good chatting, but like I was thinking about going over it in black first, like the lines, because all of them are cartoons that they all had solid black lines on the ends. So like I was just thinking about like doing the black first and then painting it with paint. Like I'll probably paint it with this brush, or probably this one too. Like just use this whole brush the whole time, and maybe use this one for bigger areas and like other oval brushes, or round brushes, whatever. And then color it, and then go over it in black just to like clean it up, or wherever I need to clean it up. So I'm thinking about doing that, and I just can't wait. I just hope, like, I get frustrated when it comes. That's why like I don't know if I'm like I need to like push a hobby, like not even a hobby, because like this thing, I have phases. So like when like I had fashion was a phase in high school or whatever, where like I like to sew and stuff. That was a phase for like freshman and sophomore year, maybe a little bit into junior year. They're all phases, you know. And then art was always a phase. Like 1 minute I would like already be doing it like boom 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 boom, then I'll stop, but I'll always come back to art, you know. So like I was contemplating on, you know, just sticking to art, like pushing it. But like I don't want to go to school for art because I'm gonna down myself. Because when I see other people that they could do things that I can't do, it upsets me, you know. It's like, damn, like I wish I was able to do that, you know, like stuff like that. So it just blows my. I don't have a ghost. I pushed the thingy. I pushed it with this little board that's on the table, Cause y'all saw like avocados video with that ghost with his chip. I was like, oh no, Lord Jesus, oh my God, it's a fire. Nope. I was like, oh hell no, no, no. Like after that, after I saw that, after the people like the after everybody like peeped it and then he peeped it himself, I would have been like, yo, I'm out. I'm on to the next hotel. Like that's a no. I don't know. I believe in ghost spirits, demons, all that. No. I believe in it. I love scary movies though, but like, oh my God, let somebody say, hey, let's go to Dub. Let's go to a haunted house. Nope, that's Dub. You're going by yourself. I'm going home. No. But anyways, I'm staring at this one stream popping out. But anyways, I'm done eating. And I have you should see a video I recorded yesterday of my Chinese food, Americanized Chinese food. And then this one. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next time with my next video. I love ya. Don't forget about me. Yo, y'all not leaving me requests. Like, hit your girl up. Don't be scared. Like, if any of y'all want to collab, yo, let's collab. Like, I'm dead down for the collabs. I'm down. But like, I want to talk to y'all first. I want to vibe with you first. Let's FaceTime. Let's chit chat. Let's talk on the phone. Cause your girl be bored. Follow me on Snap. Chat it up with me. Instagram. Chat it up with me. You know, I have 2 Instagrams, but I be on one mainly. But I do have both like signed in on Instagram. So go do that. Hit my DMs if you want to chit chat. If you want to chit chat. And what else? I was like, cause like I haven't posted on my other channel in like a long time, so like I was low-key contemplating on maybe doing like a painting video, but like the angles for that, anyway, this video's getting long, and when it gets long I can't do nothing. So I'll see y'all when I see y'all. I love y'all. Much kisses. Bless y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.